Hello, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a moss stitch, which is also known as a linen stitch and a granite stitch. So here I have some worsted weight yarn, and I have a 4mm crochet hook, but you can use whatever yarn and hook that you like. And I'm going to start by making my base, and my base chain is just going to be an even number of chains. So I'm going to just chain 16. So I have my base chain and I'm ready for row 1. So to start row 1, I'm going to single crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So counting back, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert my hook into this 4th chain. I'll make my first single crochet stitch. And then I'll chain 1, I'm going to skip the next chain, so skip this chain, and then I'll work a single crochet into the chain after that. There's my single crochet, and then I'm going to continue chaining 1, skipping the next chain, and then making a single crochet into the chain after that until the end. Finishing up the last stitch. And that's row 1. So now I'm going to turn my work and we'll start on row 2. So for row 2, we're going to begin by chaining 2. And then we're going to insert our hook into the first chain space. So that first chain space will not be that last single crochet from row 1, but this space right here. And we're going to work a single crochet into that chain space. And then I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to skip the next stitch and then work another single crochet into that next chain space. So skip this next single crochet and then insert my hook into the chain space to make another single crochet. And then I'll repeat from the chain 1 until the end of the row. So I've chained 1, skip the next stitch, insert my hook into that next chain space, and make another single crochet. Finishing up the last stitch. And that's row 2. I'm going to turn my work and start row 3. So for rows 3 and on, you're basically just going to repeat row 2 again. So I'm going to start by chaining 2, and then I'm going to single crochet into that first chain space, and then I'll chain 1, skip that next stitch, and then work a single crochet into that next chain space and repeat from chain 1 until the end. Finishing up the last stitch. And that's row 3. You can continue working as many rows as you like, and I'm gonna crochet a few more so you can see what the fabric looks like. I ended up crocheting several more rows, and here's what the moss stitch looks like all worked up. The great thing about this stitch is that it's reversible, so it looks the same on both sides, making it a great option for something like a scarf or a blanket. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.